Namaste, welcome to Sri Vidya Tantrapeetham. In this video, we will be covering Baba Siddh Goria Temple, Swankha, Samba. Baba Siddh Goria Temple is situated at Swankha village in Vijaypur block in Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir. He is worshipped as Kuladevata by Hindus of Jammu and of nearby regions of Punjab and Himachal. The temple is situated at the same place where Baba took Jal Samadhi, and it is said that Guru Gorakhnath himself came at the time when Baba took Samadhi. With the main temple, there are also shrines of Nag Devta, Baba Surkal, Guru Gorakhnath, Hanumanji, Bhairoyati, Devi Durga, Baba Kalibir, and Gogavir. The offering that is made in the main temple is of fruit, which is made with ghee, jaggery, and wheat flour, and it is offered in the main Samadhi temple. And wine is offered to Bhairoyati outside the Samadhi temple. The legend of the temple. It is said that Baba Siddh Goria was a king. He committed many atrocities on his subjects and used to murder innocents for no possible reason. That is why people called him Khuni Raja, the murderer king. Once he summoned a tailor, and to make fun of the tailor, he commanded him to make a dress for him without using scissors or needles and get it ready by tomorrow. Otherwise, he will have him killed. The tailor got sad, returned home, and shared the news with his wife. The couple prayed to Guru Gorakhnath for help. Guru Gorakhnath came to their home, and using the sacred vibhuti, Guru Gorakhnath made the dress without the use of scissors and needle. The tailor finally got relieved, and next morning he returned with the dress at king's palace. The king was amazed at this and inquired from the tailor that who has done this. The tailor told him the story and also told him the location of Guru Gorakhnath. The king ran in that direction barefoot to see the Guru. When he reached there, he had a total change of heart and he asked Guru Gorakhnath to accept him as his disciple. But the Guru refused, saying that a king like you can never become a yogi. But the king kept insisting. Finally, Guru Gorakhnath agreed and told the king to stay in this place and do tapa until I come back. Guru Gorakhnath left and came back only after 12 years and was amazed to see the king still there. Then Guru Gorakhnath made the king his disciple and gave him the title of Siddh, and hence the king became Siddh Gorianath. Guru Gorakhnath ordered Siddh Gorianath to go to the Swankha village and preach about the Nath Panth and to help the needy. Baba Siddh Goria remained in the Swankha village for rest of his life. He performed many miracles there, showing his Yog Bala and curing the sick by giving sacred ash or vibhuti from his dhuni. The annual fair is held every year in the month of June, and people from all nearby regions visit the shrine and make offerings. Those who are suffering from any kind of Preta Badha or any kind of Tantra Badha also visit the place and make offerings to Baba Siddh Goria and Bhairoyati to get rid of their badhas. To reach the temple, One can hire a cab from Jammu bus stand or can visit easily while traveling through Jammu Pathankot highway by own vehicle. The Mahants from Nath Sampradaya also live in the temple. They look after the temple premises and only they do the regular pujas in the temple. Oh.